Class 12th students, Boys Higher Secondary School, Hiral. Today my topic is about the lesson which is titled as Deep Water. This lesson is written by William Douglas. In this chapter, the author tells us a story of fear of water he got at the age of 3 or 4 years. This fear took place to the author at the beach of the California pool to which he visited with his father. He was drowned by a deadly wave which swept over him. The author was frightened by this incident. He developed a fear of water there. Next incident happened to the author. When the author was about 11 years old, this incident took place in a swimming pool in Yakima, which increases his fear of water. Here in the next incident, the author was pushed by a 18 years old boy into the pool of Yakima. He has reached almost 9 feet into the water. He could not even shout for the help as he began to feel paralyzed. He was about to die but rescued by somebody. From the very incident, he remains away from the water related exercises such as swimming and fishing, etc. After some time, he again decided to overcome the fear by any means. He joined a swimming class to overcome this fear. There he was taught by the instructor so many tips and tricks which will help him in the swimming and fishing. He practiced inhalation and exhalation. These are the tricks. Inhalation and exhalation are the tricks which help a person in the swimming successfully. For several weeks, he got the training. When he was about to get success in the swimming, after training, he feels that the fear of water has gone. At last, one day, he plunged into the water forcefully, and suddenly his fear was completely gone. In this way, the author won the battle with his fear of deep water. Now I will tell you about the theme of this lesson. The theme of this lesson is that childhood fear must never be treated lightly. If it is not tackled, then it will make deep inroads into the one's psychology. If the child gets fear of something, the elders must help him in overcoming this fear. Once he remains away from the same thing for all time, the fear will become chronic. So, it is our duty to help him, the children, in the same to get the success over the fear which they faced into the incident. And that is the end of my today's topic.